loves, so today I wanted to use the Boss Babe by Buxom. It's such a pretty palette. So I'm going to take Invite Only, and this is going to be like my base type of deal. And I'm just going to spread it to the inner corner to the outer corner, and I like to put a little bit kind of on my nose so that when I warm up my nose, everything flows. Then I'm going to take Faster, which is such a pretty, sparkly, and it's almost like a burnt tannish orange. It's just, this palette is perfect for fall. I'm telling you, when fall comes up, you're going to be like, thank you, Angela. These are just perfect, beautiful colors. They're nice and warm and sultry. They're day to day, but they're also perfect for date night. Then I'm going to take the gold statics and I mixed it with a little bit of all access and I popped those into my inner corners just to brighten it up. Then I'm going to take Work, and it's like this winey color, a wine color, and I'm just going to push it into my outer corners. It's going to look a little weird at first, but I just want to make sure it's nice and pigmented there. And then I'm going to take more of a fluffier brush, and then I'm going to blend it all out. This is such an easy look, and this is something you could wear in the daytime or you could wear at night. And I feel like if you're a beginner and you're not too good at makeup too, this is something you could definitely do. Then I'm going to take an angled brush, and I'm going to take Unapologetic, which is a nice warm brown, and I'm going to just give myself a little wing, but I want it to be a smoky wing, so I'm going to buff it. Then I'm going to take, again, the Invite Only, which was that base color, pop it underneath. I'm going to take Faster again, and I'm going to just push that underneath as well, that lower lash line. Then I'm going to take Unapologetic again. So I'm basically doing what I did on the top to the bottom. And what's awesome about this with the cat eye, you want it to be a little soft and smoky, so you don't have to be perfect with it. It's really easy. I feel like it gives me that bombshell look. I'm into it. I love this palette, and I love you guys. I hope you like this easy look, and I will see you soon.